YouTube, what's going on? It's Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. Have a shoe here from Foot Locker Champs. Shoe released September 14th, 2024. That's right, for a price of $180. I did see it on the app just sitting there all nice and lonely, so I decided to buy it. Let's get into it. As you see on the table today, we have a Nike blue box. That's right. Alright, as you see, I did get rid of the box, and yes, I do recycle. And today, let's see what we have today. We have on the table is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in Midnight Navy Black White Sail, otherwise known as the Midnight Navy 1s. Alright. As you see, we do have a Midnight Navy colored box, matte. This box is destroyed. You can tell it's aged a little bit. Definitely destroyed. Nothing to show you difference on the box. It's just as you see. Alright, I do not see anything else. I do see, I'm just looking at the tag. Okay, looks good to me. And yes, the back, 1985 Air Jordan 1. Okay, let's get to the goods. And right off the back, I do see a lot number. I always call it a date code, lot number, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I do see that. I do see the lid size is 305 by 220 by 115. Okay, nothing swoosh on the corner. Check mark on top over there. Let's take a look. These bad boys, you telling me these bad boys been sent since September 14th? September 14th, 2024, and they're just sitting in the app. Sitting in a Nike store. Are you kidding me? They're just sitting in the Nike store. Nobody wants these? I'm so lost. Alright, let's check it out. Not seeing anything else in the box. What I do see is the tray size 305 by 220 by 115. Put that right there. I mean, I don't get it. I don't understand why nobody would pick these up. These are beautiful shoe. I mean, there is nothing wrong. Let me take. You guys telling me you guys didn't pick these up? This is a size 8, by the way. Look at this. Flawless. I do not understand for the life of me why nobody would pick these up. Anyways, alright, let's get on with the review here. You see the Air Jordan logo in black. That Midnight Navy is just, other side. Just real quick bottom. Like I said, they were just sitting. Check out the inside. Paper shoe tree as always. We do have, okay, black laces. This shoe did not come with an additional pair of laces, which is kind of odd for a Jordan 1 OG. But yeah, black lace, that's it. I'm sure you can find some laces to match with it or whatever on your own. But let's see what we have on the inside. We do have the side sticker by the Nike. Take a look at that. Okay. Black non-dream cell insole. Nothing crazy. Like I said, this came out and they sat, and this one sat for a long time. Let's take a look at the inside. Side stitching. Stitching is beautiful. As always, that duct tape or that scotch tape, you know. Get that nice little stitch there. As you see, We do have the size tag there. Looks like XC Factory. Right date code you see there. Like I said, it's just a little quick review. Beautiful shoe though. I do not understand for the life of me why nobody would pick these up. Zoom back out. These are just beautiful, classic, nothing major to them. Just your average white and blue shoe. So, right, well, that was just a little quick review of the Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. Like I said, it did release September 14th, 2024. Almost a year ago for $180, and these bad boys have been sitting at your nearest Champs Foot Locker, and I did pick them up on sale for $129, so not too bad. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, comment, like, subscribe.